Hello, little friends. Today we're going to learn how to pray Salah step by step. Calm your heart, take a deep breath, listen carefully, and together we'll learn how to pray Salah correctly.
Yeah!
First, make sure you're standing facing the Qibla. That's the direction of Mecca. Place your eyes softly on the spot on your prayer mat where your forehead will go during sajda. Once you're ready, raise your hands up to your ears as you stand and confidently say, Allahu Akbar. Now place your right hand over your left hand and rest them gently between your chest and belly button. Now start reciting Surah Al-Fatiha. Always begin with A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajim and then Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. After that, continue reciting Surah Al-Fatiha, the very first chapter of the Quran, nice and calmly. After finishing Surah Al-Fatiha, recite another short chapter from the Quran. Many people recite Surah Al-Ikhlas because it is short and very powerful. Say it nice and calmly, remembering that you are speaking to Allah. After you finish reciting, raise your hands up again to your ears and say, Allahu Akbar. Now, bend forward, keeping your back straight and your hands on your knees. This position is called ruku'. While in ruku', say 3 times, Subhana Rabbiyal Azim, which means, Glory is to my Lord, the Most Great. Now rise up from ruku' and stand straight. As you are coming up, say, Sami' Allah liman hamida. Once you are fully standing, say, Rabbana walakal hamd, and remain standing for at least a second. Now go down to the sujood position while saying, Allahu Akbar. When you are in sujood, make sure that your forehead and nose are firmly touching the ground. Both palms are flat on the ground. Both knees are on the ground. The toes of both feet are pressed into the ground, pointing forward. This way, all 7 parts of the body are correctly touching the ground, as taught in the Sunnah. While in this position, say 3 times, Subhana Rabbil A'la, nice and calm. After the first sujood, raise your head while saying Allahu Akbar. Sit calmly on your legs. In this sitting position, say this short dua, Rabbi Ghfirli, 2 times nicely and calmly. After sitting between the 2 sujood, say Allahu Akbar. Go down into sujood again, just like the first one. Make sure your forehead, nose, both hands, both knees and toes are firmly touching the ground. In sujood, say Subhana Rabbiyal A'la 3 times nicely and calmly. Now, if this is your first rak'ah, stand up straight and begin again from the first step we learned. If this is the second rak'ah in any prayer, or the 4th rak'ah in Duhur, Asr, Isha, or the 3rd rak'ah in Maghrib and Witr. After the second sujood, sit down. Raise your right index finger and recite the tashahhud. If this is your last rak'ah of any prayer, then while sitting after tashahhud, continue by reciting the darood. After darood, recite the last dua that is also known as the dua for protection. After finishing your last step, you end the prayer by turning your head to the right side and then to the left side, each time saying, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. MashaAllah. You have now learned how to perform the prayer step by step. Keep practicing, and it will become easier and more beautiful every day. Never forget, Salah is your special way of talking to Allah, so pray with love and focus. May Allah accept your prayers and keep you strong in faith.
Thanks for watching, friends. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and ring the bell icon to stay with us for more fun and learning adventures.